passionate about our mothers. We do love our mothers. And we just feel like if you say certain things, we have in mother in the sentence or mother in the sentence, you're disrespecting our mother or you're disrespecting us. Welcome people, welcome back to another video. And today I'll be doing the how to talk Jamaican part. I'm either gonna use this for part 1 or part 2, so either way, yeah. So before we jump into the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Ooh, yes. Go ahead and do that right now. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. There we go. Now I'm gonna go into big head. A big head boy. And big like. A big like. No, it basically means your head is huge. That's it. No, people. So in Jamaica here, we're very passionate about our mothers. We do love our mothers. And we just feel like if you say certain things, we have in mother in the sentence or mother in the sentence, you're disrespecting our mother or you're disrespecting us. Now, I guarantee you, if you come to Jamaica and you say, hey boy, go suck your mother. Remember people, you're going to get a big Pt2 in your head. I guarantee you're gonna get into a fight if you come to Jamaica and say suck your mother. No, suck your mother means you must go and your mother or do yourself. No, stop follow back at me. Hey boy. Hey girl, stop follow back at me, you're too father flashing. No people, stop follow back at me means stop following behind of me. I don't want you behind of me. Go somewhere else. Go on somewhere else. See? That's it. No, the next word is zimmy. No, zimmy means, you understand me? You see what me say? You see what me saying? You understand what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? That's what. Oh, Gyal. Hey, Gyal. Come over here, so. No, Gyal means girl here in Jamaica. Wait there. Hold on now. Take your time, man. Chop. No. Wait there means hold on, stop for a minute. That's basically it. Nah, no beard boy. Go beard. Go beard. You're nasty like. People, can you tell me what I just said? Go beard. You're nasty like. So, go beard means go and bathe. You're nasty like. You are nasty like. That's bumper. Here in Jamaica, we use the name for big bottom girls. So we call them bumper. Or we say, girl, that's your bumper big. No, bumper here in Jamaica means you have a big ass, a big rump, a big bottom. That's basically it. What happened to you? Why you cry? What happened to you? You alright? No, people. What happened to you? What happened to you? That's what it means. What happened to you? Are you okay? That's basically what I just said. What happened to you? You alright? Moving on. Beg you some now. Me want move some. Me want some. Give me some. Beg you some no. No, beg you some no is Can I have some? Why are you going on like that? I want some. That's basically what I just said in the sentence. So if you're gonna watch this video, you're gonna have to replay if you wanna catch like the difference. Walk good. Take care of your sister Kimmy. Walk good. Alright. When you reach your destination, you make me know. No. Walk good means safe travel. Alright, people? Just touch down in the I like the girl them love me. All you wanna say me ugly. No, just touchdown means I can't wait to get here. Or I just got here in Jamaica. No bother me. No bother me. What you bother me for? Stop nagging me. No bother me means stop nagging me. Or stop annoying me. That's basically it. Just a little toops. Just a little toops, man. I don't want no eat. Just a little toops, not much. No, people, a little toops mean just a little bit. I don't want much. You overdo it, you know. You overdo it. I tell you, you overdo it. Girl, make your face so. You overdo it. Overdo it means you basically you just exaggerate the entire thing. Just exaggerate. Let it stay there. You just overdo it. Pre, we use pre like what pre? Why pre? Which means what you up to? What go on? What's up? Yeah. Now pre in a different sentence is hey you, why you pre me suffer? Why are you looking at me like that? Or why are you looking on me? Just say it. Mad. This song mad, me I tell you. You check out this song last night. Don't say mad. It's mad. Me I tell you, it's mad. I say, he man just come like he just gonna plan everything in his song. His song just mad. The song mad means the song is good. It's lit. It's on fire. People, I know you wanna know one of Jamaican's curse word, and I'm gonna go with bumbleclat. Bumbleclat, me can't bother. No, that's a swear word. But when everything is getting so exhausted, you just say bumbleclat. So I guess bumbo has pertaining to your bottom, and clot is a piece of cloth. So it's bumbleclat. And we just put it together and we just say bumbleclat. Right? Thank you for watching this video, and of course subscribe, like, share the video, people. Go ahead and try and win a gift on the Instagram giveaway with me and friends. So go ahead, follow the Instagram pages, get yourself a gift. Peace.